Repair a cracked windshield yourself. Perhaps you have never thought that repairing a windshield is possible before. After all, it is one sheet of glass. What could possibly be done to fix it? But the truth is that windshields are not that difficult to repair. Indeed, professionals can easily repair windshields. But you can do the repairing yourself if you wanted to, armed with a windshield repair kit. Environmentalists have spoken out regarding the sheer number of windshields being thrown away just because of small problems that could easily be repaired. The windshield problem adds to the waste that makes our world a more cluttered place. So if you have a broken windshield, perhaps you can consider repairing it not just for your sake to save some money on costs, but also to help save the environment. To repair a windshield, first assess the damage to know how it can be repaired. Typically, windshield cracks are easy to fix. Chip in the windshield 1 inch in diameter or forming a small star crack can be repaired with a windshield repair kit. Anything longer and larger a professional should look into, as skill level and sophisticated tool are needed to make the necessary repairs of this magnitude. Keep in mind though that a small crack is better repaired as soon as possible to prevent it from spreading to the point that it would require a professional or it becomes irreparable. Get yourself a windshield repair kit. Set a time when you will be working on the windshield repair. Ideally, you should repair the windshield when the sun is out because you need the sun to make the adhesive work. If there is no sun, you can make use of an ultraviolet lamp instead. Prime the windshield by cleaning it thoroughly. Take out all slivers of loose glass with a razor blade. Clean away all sorts of dirt like dust, sap, bugs, etc. Clean the area with soap and water. The area should be thoroughly clean and decontaminated. Let the area dry. Of course, if there is a bright sun, the windshield will dry easily. Otherwise, let it air dry. Applying some denatured alcohol will speed up the process. Prepare your windshield repair kit. Follow the directions step by step and do not take any shortcuts. This is a very delicate and intense moment because you will be putting in adhesive into the cracks to fill these up. Just take each step slowly and with great care. The application of the adhesive will be strictly timed. This is because the adhesive will travel to every nook and cranny to fill it up and repair your windshield. After applying the adhesive, let it cure for several hours. If everything went well, you would not be able to tell where the cracked lines are anymore. In the case that there is some protrusion from the part where you inserted the syringe, wait until it dries and gently shave it off with a razor blade. You now have a great-looking windshield once again. You have just stopped the damage from spreading, and you are able to utilize your windshield again. Congratulate yourself for not only saving your windshield but also doing your part for the environment.